We received a subpoena to testify at a deposition for a doctor who worked in Alexandria, Louisiana. Here's the story of how we tracked him down. One of the ways we generate revenue in our process-serving business is by offering attorneys and other process servers an additional address attempt when their initial attempts fail. This often happens because they rely too heavily on database search results, which don't always reflect recent address changes or account for people who lack a stable residence. Just last week, we were approached by a process-serving company that needed a rush service on a doctor named Martin. He had recently moved and they needed to serve him at his workplace, a large hospital in Alexandria, Louisiana. Despite making multiple attempts and speaking with staff nurses and other doctors, we were unable to locate him. After 4 separate attempts over 3 days, it became clear that we needed to try something different. The process-serving company informed us that their attorney-client needed them to find another address for Martin, but their database search turned up nothing new. That's when I stepped in with an OSINT search. Within just 10 minutes, I had found the doctor's new address. I informed the process-serving company of my findings but didn't provide the location right away. Instead, I quoted them my fee for the OSINT skip trace and the additional serve. They took this information back to their client, who approved the charges. This is a perfect example of how being skilled and making yourself invaluable can ensure that people are willing to pay your price. Now, let me walk you through how I tracked down the doctor's new address. 1. Facebook discovery. I began by looking at Martin's Facebook profile. It was mostly private and he didn't post often, but social media can be a goldmine for clues if you know where to look. 2. Girlfriend's Facebook. From his sparse posts, I discovered his girlfriend's profile. She was much more active on social media, regularly liking and commenting on his posts. By scanning her public account, I was able to confirm that she was indeed his girlfriend, Rebecca. 3. The new house post. It didn't take long before I struck gold. Rebecca had posted a photo just 12 days earlier with the caption, "We just updated our landscape on our new home." The picture was a clear shot of the front of their house. I knew immediately that I could use this image to pinpoint their new location. 4. Reverse image search on Yandex. I saved the image, cropped out any unnecessary background details, and uploaded it to Yandex for a reverse image search. Yandex is particularly good at identifying similar images across the web, and it wasn't long before it led me to a match. 5. Zillow search. The reverse image search directed me to a Zillow page confirming the address and providing details about the property's recent purchase. This was a strong indicator that the information was up to date. 6. Tax assessor's database. To further verify the address, I checked the Rapides Parish Tax Assessor's database. Sure enough, the property records confirmed that Martin was the owner of the house, solidifying our findings. 7. The serve. With the correct address in hand, I went to the new location and served the doctor. He was clearly surprised that I had tracked him down and wasn't too happy about being served a subpoena to testify with a $40 witness fee. He mentioned he would speak with his lawyer to get it canceled, which he eventually did. 2 weeks later, I had to re-serve him with a new subpoena and a much larger witness fee check. This case really highlights the power of OSINT in overcoming the limitations of traditional search methods in the legal field. By combining various online resources and analytical techniques, we can provide thorough solutions that save time and reduce costs when serving legal documents. If you're facing similar challenges in your legal practice, reach out to us. Our specialized OSINT services can help you streamline your operations and increase your success rates in serving legal documents.